Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Jaspas, and it's a beautiful day in Singapore. Welcome to Season 9 of School of Cardistry. We couldn't have made it here without you guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys a move called Oddstyle. Oddstyle 1 is a very different style of cardistry that I'm not used to. A lot of my two-handed cards begin with a Z grip and do interesting things after that. However, Oddstyle is my first attempt at attempting a completely different style of two-handed cards. Oddstyle 1 refers to the first move in a series of oddly styled cardistry moves. So I am looking forward to expanding on Oddstyle and what the grip can bring for us as cardists, and hopefully we can find some new territory together. This is what Oddstyle 1 looks like. You go up here, a straight line, very nice, simple, easy to understand. Go forward to here, very nice, simple, easy to understand display, and you go straight to the close. Very nice, simple, easy to understand. Alright guys, I hope you guys are excited to learn this move. Go get your favorite deck of playing cards and let's get down to it. To do Oddstyle 1, first you need to get into Oddstyle grip, which is this. It's a very simple grip. Let's break down what is happening right now. Begin by going into what looks like a simplified Z grip. Index finger on the front, like so. Thumb on the back of the right hand. And then the fingers on the top of the top packet, like this. Next, once you reach this position, you're going to lift up the top packet using your index finger, middle, ring, and pinky, like so. Using these 4 fingers, you're going to slide the packet across your thumb all the way to this position. Using your middle finger to sort of slide it all the way to the end of the packet here. This is what that movement looks like from the other side. From here, your thumb is pressed against another packet and you're going to slide it all the way to the end of the packet. While your right hand is doing this movement, your left hand is going here. You're rotating your left hand. When you combine those two actions together, this is what it looks like. Go here, clip here, grab here, slide it to here. Next, using your thumb of your left hand and the middle finger of your right hand, you're going to make contact with the middle packet. Remove the 2 grips from your original right thumb and your left index finger and rotate the packet this way. Using your ring finger of your right hand, take over the middle finger's job, like so. And then extend your left hand forward and your right hand backward, like so. Let's take a look at that. You're going to open it up, thumb, middle finger, shift grips, go here, ring finger takes over this, and extend the packets. To close, simply bring the packet on your left hand, this one right here, towards the middle packet, and the packet in the right hand here, towards the middle packet. From the other side, this is what it looks like. Go straight up, rotate it forward like this, and then close up everything all at once. It's really easy. One more time. Grip here, slide it along here, and then extend this out. This part should be executed all at once. Like that. Very nice. Here are some pointers to perform Oddstyle 1 nicely. When opening the 3 packs, you want it to open cleanly and at the same time. Like this. Very nice. Compare that against a sloppy opener like this, and you will see why I am particular about opening it at the same time. When you go to the first position in Oddstyle, try to have all 3 packets parallel to each other. They should form a roughly straight line. When you go from position 1 to position 2 of Oddstyle, you want to isolate the middle of this card. Compare this against isolating the top card or isolating the bottom card. They both don't look as good as when you isolate the middle. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. School of Cardistry wouldn't be possible without viewers such as yourself supporting the show. Specifically, the Patreons. Thank you guys very much for all the support. While we're here, super shoutouts to Theng Nguyen, Royce Koo, Mark Ong, Andrea Gar, Troy Howell, Sebastian Gopoxiu, and all the other awesome patrons for supporting School of Cardistry. If you are interested in supporting the show or getting some exclusive content available only to our patrons, click the link in the description box below. Until next time guys, I'm Jaspas and I'll see you soon.